This is my day one here in Tokyo, Japan. Sarap na. Welcome back to my channel.
Hi, good morning everyone.
Welcome to my vlog. Hey guys, lumipad nga ang aming team dito sa Japan, Tokyo, Japan naman this time. Pero syempre, nung una excited ka na sumakay sa aeroplano. This is parang it's been a year since then. Tapos kasama ko pala ang mga kapatid ko. Ayun, syempre sa pagpunta ng Tokyo, Japan. This is actually our first time. Pero sa lahat ng first time, ito na yata yung pinakamahirap at pinakamasakit na pinagdaanan namin dahil sa first booking na nangyari sa amin sa hotel. 2:45 oras sa Pilipinas nung talagang umalis na ng bongga-bongga itong aeroplano na ito, mga guys. At syempre, ganap na alas 8 G's ng gabi. Nakalapag naman ang aeroplano namin. Touchdown sa Japan. Pero ang nakala namin masaya ang day 1, pinalutan yan ng kalungkutan at stress. Sobra. At syempre, guys, panoorin naman natin ang pag-take off ng aming aeroplano. Ito yung flight PR432. At nagpapasalamat kami sa napakagaling na servisyo ng mga cabin crew at ng piloto dito sa airplane na to, dito sa flight to. Thank you so much, PAL. Iba talaga ang PAL. Bongga, world class. finally touched down Tokyo, Japan. Hey guys! Wow! Welcome to Japan. We're here in Tokyo. Oh my god. Ang social. Tokyo is awesome. It's really great guys. So go. This is Narita Airport. We landed at exactly 7:50. Touchdown, Japan. Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda, oh. See? Mas para kay pasyalan Kenny Osaka kasi dito mo. Pero manyaman pa mga nasa. At syempre guys, eto nga pala yung pinabook na una ni ate. Akala namin napakalaki dahil sa mga picture na nasa Agoda app. Tapos pagdating namin dito, may mga gamit na naiwan, may mga naka-charge, may mga bag na nakabukas, maleta, pero hindi namin alam kung nasaan yung tao na naninirahan dito. Maybe it's a double booking or baka hindi sinasadya ng nasa or yung nagpapa-Airbnb. Tsaka guys, parang hindi talaga worth it ang almost 100,000 dito sa area na to. Lalong-lalo na dito sa Airbnb na nabook ni ate sa Agoda app. So guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog pero this is our hotel room. We're bringing water. Here's my luggage. And I'm bringing some of my shoes. We have TV here, TV set, refrigerator. We also have parang ano yun ito? For coffee maker. Wow. Okay, safe box. Sofa, and we have 4 beds, but we're just going to stay here. We're just the two of us, and in the other room, okay, I believe there are 4. And let's go here. This is the toilet, of course. And toilet, simple lang siya, guys. So this is the sink, washroom. We also have the bathroom here. There we go. It's a bathtub. Oh, small bathtub. It's fine. Oh, wow. This is awesome. I believe this is 300,000 for 7 days. For 8 to 9 days. 300,000 pesos. Yan lang siya kasimple. Pero kanina guys, hindi ko na vinlog because we had a bad day. A really, really bad day. So, before we actually, went to Japan, my sister already booked for the hotel. It cost 93,000 pesos. I'm not sure, 93 or 97,000 pesos. But when we actually saw the Airbnb hotel, para siyang hotel, apartment hotel, let's say, merong mga gamit dun sa loob ng room na yun. And it's something like there is someone who has been living there for some quite time. Nakasalbag yung gamit sa maleta, may mga naka-charge, but we were not able to see that particular person. I believe it was double booking or something like that. Pero dito naman sa Japan, feeling ko wala namang mga scam. So there you go. So we had to stay there for a couple of hours. So drained na talaga kami. Hindi na rin kami nakapag-update. Someone helped us for an hour. She's a Japanese lady and she's so kind. She called multiple times the manager of that particular Airbnb, and then we finally decided not to go for it. We're just going to ask for a refund, and we're just going to look for other hotels. Pero ang naman doon problema is fully booked lahat ng mga hotel. But we actually found one here. It's too far from Shibuya and the other neighboring cities. Kaya medyo malayo-layo din. And we actually took taxi or Uber. Yun. Then, yun naman, ibang car, medyo mahal kasi, I'm not sure, pero parang 27,000 yen yung isang car. And we have parang multiple bookings din going there dun sa originally na book namin na family hotel. Ang mahal din nun, mga 8,000 pesos or 8,000 yen, I'm not sure. And then yung pang router or yung Wi-Fi hotspot, medyo mabagal kahit naka 5G na sila. So nagdi-disconnect siya. So yung talaga disaster yung na-experience namin dito sa first day namin sa Japan. And then, my God, umuulan talaga siya. Beshi. Kaya ni-stress ako. Pero yung ulan dito malamig. Kaya okay lang. Tapos, gininaw na nga ako kasi sobra talagang lamig. As in, parang nag-below 10 degrees or something like that. I did na-check dahil siguro na-drain na rin ako. Pagod kasi ang dami naming maleta. 9 luggages. My gosh. So, yan. Ito na. Hindi na ako nakapag-update. Kaya, time to sleep. Time to rest. See you tomorrow. This is my day 1 here in Tokyo, Japan. updated to all the happenings on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, guys! We just landed back here in Dubai. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to the world, guys. Bye!